Welsh or living in Wales? We have some good news, which is excellent for our customers and for Wales as well. We have just been awarded the prestigious Rockdoor Installation of the Month award. Why is this good news for Wales? Simple. The award has never been won by any other Rockdoor installer in Wales before. We are the first and only winners. This is also amazing news for our customers because they know that they're dealing with not only an excellent product, but also a company that has ticked more boxes than any others have in all of Wales. You can learn more about Rockdoor and even design your own door by visiting our website. You can also watch more of our videos on our YouTube channel, including how Rockdoor can protect you in an alien invasion. Watch the Top 10 Doors documentary as well, and find out why the Terminator appears in the video.